Malawi Brief.
Ku nyumba ya malamulo kunayamba ndi nkhani yoyamikira President Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika pokhalanso mtsogoleri namba 1 muno mu Africa pakagwiridwe ntchito kabwino, ndipo sipikala wa nyumba ya malamuloyi analamula aphungu onse kuti ayimirire ndi kuombera m'manja presidentiyu pa nkhani imeneyi. Koma mtsogoleri kumbali ya otsutsa boma Simplice Chithyola Banda anatsutsana ndi ganizoli ponena kuti bungwe limene lapereka ufumu umenewu silikudziwika bwinobwino ntchito zawo ndipovuta kuti alikhulupirire pa zimene zachitikazi.
That an international reputable organization has named our president, Professor Peter Mutharika, as the best performing president in this Africa. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thought this is a cause for celebration in this country. As you know, that we've been having mediocrity leadership in this country, but now the world is able to recognize that our president is performing good and better. I thought we should give our president a standing ovation to say that we are all happy. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. I submit.
Thank you very much, Kwa Central. Let me start with my dear brother, Lirongwen Sinja. The committee reports not yet on in the order paper. They're on notices. So what we'll need to do is to ask for a supplementary order paper if you want to tackle the reports. So you can do that at an appropriate time. Since we are moving to questions, we don't need a motion. It's already in the order paper as today's business. So we'll proceed with guidance from the leader of the House. But before I do that, honour members, let me ask all of us to stand and clap hands for our leader, for his achievement, and we should all be proud of it. Thank you. Thank you. I think that achievement should not be taken as only the president's, but as a country, we should be proud that we're in the right direction and things are starting to tick. In that spirit, I thank you all honour members who stood and clapped hands for the president. Yes, Leader of Opposition.
Right Honorable Speaker, thank you very much and welcome. I'm rising on the very issue that we are talking about. The office of the president and the presidency deserves dignity. Right Honorable Speaker, I rise to seek urgent clarification from the government side regarding this organization, the African President's Accountability Council, that has no physical address, has no website, and even the Secretary General called Sheriff has nowhere to be found. It's like Bridging Foundation. We love this country, we respect the presidency. The truth about this issue is that even if you can find out now, you will see that this APAC doesn't exist. So maybe, Right Honorable Speaker, do we have official communication? Which ministry was dealing with APAC? Is it Ministry of Foreign Affairs or Ministry of Information? Can that ministry provide statement in this House that will actually indicate that there was official engagement? Because, Right Honorable Speaker, we have the president of the nation that we need to protect, and this cannot be subjected to non-entities that are there trying to play around with Malawi. Right, Honorable Speaker, we need to be serious in this house. Probably the leader of the house can give us a clarification, but this is not true, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Leader of Opposition. Before I come to you, Leader, let me order Leader of Opposition. Maybe you can do the research and find out. But what we know is that things have improved in this country. Things are keep improving. And if someone recognizes that work, it's better to say thank you. And we are saying thank you. Whoever it is has recognized our leader. We are saying thank you. For the rest, you did the same with Afrobarometer. You refused it, but the results were exactly Afrobarometer. So, yes, Leader of the House. Leader of the House.
Pachichewa palimau amati nsanje sumuna. That's what all I wanted to say, Mr. Speaker, sir. Nsanje sumuna ya. Tizivomera wina kachina bwino. We now proceed with business, Mr. Speaker, sir. We are ready to answer questions. We are ready. 15 minutes is gone now. We don't have time. We are complaining about time, but we'll keep wasting the same time. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
But Leader, tell us which questions should we start with?
We follow the sequence on the order paper.
All right, thank you so much, Leader. Honourable members, let's go to today's order paper. Questions to ministers for oral replies, starting with question to Minister of Transport and Public Works. Question 180, coming from Neno South. Neno South.
Good morning, Speaker. I stand to confirm that the question on the order paper, number 180, to the Minister of Transport is indeed coming from the people of Neno South under the wise leadership of Senior Chief Malawi, Sub-TA Chikalema, Group Village Headman Zomoja, Nicholas, and Mademba. I confirm, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you so much, Neno South. Minister of Transport and Public Works.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker, and through you, let me thank my honourable colleague member for Neno South for her question. The question is to ask the Minister of Transport and Public Works whether the government has assessed the value of property damage during road construction works in Group Village Mani Nicholas, Zomodia, and the Mariamba areas in Neno South, and if so, when will the affected property owners be compensated? Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry through the Roads Authority follow the provisions of the Lands Acquisition and Compensations Act on such matters. In line with the recommended procedure, the ministry through the Roads Authority engaged the Ministry of Lands, specifically the Valuation Department, to conduct the property assessment and valuation. We are currently awaiting the submission of the draft report by the Ministry of Lands. Following this assessment, a verification exercise will be conducted, after which the findings
will be disclosed to the affected persons before the payments are made. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me take the opportunity to inform the Honourable Member of Parliament that this process typically takes about 2 months, provided that resources are readily available. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to emphasize that my ministry is taking these social and environmental safeguards seriously. We remain fully committed to mitigating all negative impacts of road construction on the people of this country. We appreciate the continued support and patience of the honourable members and the people of Neno as we implement these critical projects. I thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Minister of Transport and Public Works. Let's go to Blantyre Southeast. You have the floor, Honourable.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, my question is to the Minister of Transport, if he is aware of the way the contractor is doing his works at Green Corner, between the Green Corner, I think that should be Green Corner. There are 2 parts at Green Corner. There was a culvert that blocked, and the government sent a contractor, and he did the works, and today he's still doing the work. And the quality of work is questionable, and the people of Blantyre Southeast, and the people of Blantyre Southwest, and the people who are traveling to Chikwawa are not happy with the way the contractor is doing the work. So I wanted to know if the minister is aware of that, to take action. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Blantyre Southeast. Mangochi North. You have the floor. You have the floor, Mangochi North.
Thanks so much. Right Honourable Speaker, is Mangochi Northeast. I want to correct you with that.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Right Honourable Speaker. I would like to ask Honourable Minister to consider constructing and improving road in my constituency, Mangochi Northeast, to improve connectivity and promote economic development. In particular, I would like to request the Minister to consider the construction of Mangochi Malombe Road. This road connects 3 constituencies, Mangochi Northeast, Mangochi Malombe, and Machinga Central. Also, should consider the construction of Mbaluku to Kamwana Road. There are many problems our communities face due to this road. Ntumbwas Bridge was washed away by heavy rains, and the community are using boats to cross the river. The road is very important to the people in these areas, as they will improve access to market, schools, and health facilities. I therefore kindly ask the Honourable Minister to consider this road in the government's road development programs. In addition, I would like to thank His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika for planned construction of Malindi Makanjila Road. For now, we can see the progress of the road. Honourable Speaker, the people of Mangochi Northeast have one humble request, that the road be named Masauko Shipembele Road, in honor of Masauko Shipembele, a hero who fought against colonial rule. We believe this would be a fitting tribute to his legacy. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is the man who called the Kamuzu Banda to return back home. I submit.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Mangochi Northeast. Let's go to Lilongwe City, Mloza. Switch on your mic. Yes, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, and good morning. I wanted to ask the Honorable Minister of Transport and Public Infrastructure in regard to the construction of Don Bosco Gorgoda Benito Road, which we have included in our plans on CDF, considering the fact that now everything goes to CDF. So I understand because of the raising cost of materials on the market, it appears that even the minimum bidder goes to, they're about 10 billion. In other words, not even constituency, CDF can manage to do this road. If we are to do this road going the route of CDF, then it will take us almost the whole 4 years, considering the fact that it's only 3 billion that will go to projects. So I wanted to find out from the Honorable Minister, is there any way you can consider this issue in a special way? Because urban constituencies, if this is the case, then we are in a big problem. Maybe you can help us, Honorable Minister, now that you are able to collect the fuel levies under road fund administration. Maybe the city roads, you can consider them in a special way. Otherwise, we'll end up the whole team doing one road. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Lilongwe Mloza, Minister of Transport.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. And through you, let me thank my honorable colleagues for their supplementary questions. One, Planter South, Green Corner, substandard work. I'm not aware, but now that I've been informed about it, we've taken note. Officials will visit the place to appreciate the concerns, and if need be, the remedial measures will be instituted. Mangochi Northeast, a fairly new question. I would request that he puts up a formal question so that I can provide a proper response, because this is not a small matter, it's quite a big matter. So I would request that he provides me with a formal question so that I can give him a proper response. This applies to all the areas that he has mentioned in his supplementary question. In regards to Masauko Chipembere Highway, in honor of the red Chipembere, these are matters that are in the presidency, and at an appropriate time, if that need arises, they will have to request through the normal processes, and it will be considered accordingly. Lilongwe Muloza, the road to Don Bosco, vis-a-vis cost of building infrastructure these days. I've taken note, we discussed it, and I need to bring this matter back to the road fund administration, who are the custodian of resources for road construction. So whatever outcome, I'll share the same with my honorable colleague. I submit, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Minister of Transport and Public Works. Let's go to now question 104. Question 104 in today's order paper, coming from Chikwawa Nkombezi. Chikwawa Nkombezi, you have the floor.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, sir. I rise to confirm that question 104 appearing on today's order paper is indeed from the people of Chikwamkombezi, Intie, Gabu, especially Group Village Headman, Goma, and Milos. I thank you.
Thank you, Chikwa Nkombezi. Minister of Transport.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. I appear to have skipped the response to this question. Can I ask the member to bring it back a little later so that I get the response? My apologies.
That's in order. While we wait for that, let's move to question 218. Question 218 from Baraka Olongwe. Switch on your mic, Baraka Olongwe. Yes, you have the floor.
Good morning, Right Honorable Speaker, sir. The people of Baraka Olongwe, the people of TA Amidu, Senior Chief Kalembo, GVH Mpango, Namalomba Nandumbo, Kaweya, Kafulafula, and the fishermen at Mvera. Would like to confirm that the question 218 appearing in the order paper is read from the people of Baraka Olongwe. I submit.
Thank you, Baraka Olongwe, Minister of Transport and Public Works.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, and through you, let me thank my honorable colleague, member for Baraka Olongwe for the question. The question is to ask the Minister of Transport and Public Works whether government will consider upgrading the road from Olongwe town to Mvu Camp in the Liwonde National Park from gravel to bitumen standard. Mvu Camp is one of the country's premier tourist destinations, and upgrading the road would improve access to the park, promote tourism, and support local economic development. Mr. Speaker, sir, the road in question is indeed very critical, and upgrading it to bitumen standard will provide an all-weather road access to one of the country's premier tourist attraction sites. Upgrading the road will also play an important role in advancing the tourism industry in the country. However, Mr. Speaker, sir, the road in question is designated as a district road and therefore falls under the management of Baraka District Council. Well, the management of this road is under Baraka District Council, but due to its significance in providing access to a tourist attraction area, the Ministry of Tourism has in the past supported the improvement of such kind of access roads. The honorable member is therefore being advised to present the project to Baraka District Council so that the council can engage and work together with the Ministry of Tourism for the upgrading works. My ministry will always remain available to provide technical assistance when they are ready to proceed with the civil works. I thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.